Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to extract text from everywhere, even if it is an image. So, first of all, you need to install this application called Microsoft PowerToys. So after installing this application, you just need to go to text extractor or here, and you have to just turn it on like this. And this is the activation shortcut, which you can do it by pressing Windows Shift T. I'm going to try here, Windows Shift T, and drag it here, Wikipedia, okay, and I'm going to paste it here. Pasted the output. It's very accurate and you need to try this out. This is very cool. I will try here as well. Like this. And paste over here. And I got this Google. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And thank you.